Hi, friends. I hope everybody is doing good, doing well with health and all other issues. Um, yeah, this is our testing time, but yes, we have to just move on with it. Just taking it the way it comes our way. So I just hope that everybody is keeping safe, being at home. Yeah. Okay, so today there is something which I wanted to talk about. So probably this is my first video. Uh, do let me know if you like the content about it. So my topic is self-love. Oh yes, we must have heard umpteen things about what self-love is, and we must have even seen videos about it. What is self-love? Uh, I don't deny what others say, but then yes, there is something what we can add to self-love is. So, what is self love? Have you ever realized? To me, people say, pamper yourself, do what you like, uh, do what is comfortable to your heart, do what, uh, do what your will says. That's absolutely correct. That is just true. I would not deny that. Whatever you like is a part of self love. So, like, people go to holidays, people go to um, you know fun destinations, and then we pamper ourselves going to the parlors. So yeah, we all do that, right? And we think, yeah, this pamper can give me some kind of happiness. Of course it does give, uh, but what happens is that those happiness are a little kind of temporary. What would I say? Like after a few days, again you would feel the same. Like you know, you would feel, oh, I'm just missing this. I want to do this. I want to do that again, and that keeps on going with us. Like it's a chain, so it keeps on going. Like the more we do, the more we explore, we feel like, okay, this is not complete, and we just need to do more of it. So there is something which I have learned in what I am doing right now. I'm currently a part of Twin Flames Ascension School, and my gurus, Jeff and Shilia, teaches us how to really love ourselves. And loving ourselves is a journey to love God. Yes, that is true. So if you love yourself, in a way you're loving God. So it's like, how do I say? So, like, have you ever realized that your inner beauty is from your inside? And that's so true, that your inner happiness only comes with peace, and peace is another form of loving yourself. So when you give peace to yourself, you give happiness to yourself, it's self-love. And that's what is being taught in this Ascension School, is how to love yourself. So we have to completely love ourselves, surrender ourselves to God. And that's what love is. And that's what self-love is. It's like it's like totally giving yourself to God and totally loving him the way he wants you to love. Well, he doesn't tell us that how are we supposed to love him. But then when you love yourself, is something you're obeying him. You're getting disciplined. You're getting um, more and more loving towards yourself and others, of course. With self-love, it's not that it's only about you. It's about you're loving everybody. You're loving everybody with you, around you. And that's what is very interesting part about it, that you don't need to just only focus on yourself, but you're also focusing on how to love others, because love is a part of unconditional journey. You know what I mean? It's like uh, God has never stopped us loving, and God has given us unconditional love. So who are we to stop loving ourselves? We've always been doing this. It's like so many years, so many decades have passed, but we have never realized. We have never realized that we have stopped loving ourselves, or rather, we never loved ourselves. There are very few people in this entire world who would really love themselves, and they are like treating themselves so completely, beautifully, and abundantly. And yes, they are somebody where we have to learn how to really love ourselves. So there are few examples what I can share with you. It's like building your own peace inside yourself is loving yourself. Seeing yourself that you are a divine child of God is loving yourself. Not comparing yourself to others is loving yourself. Because God has created you complete, perfect, with perfection. And when we doubt that, we are doubting God's creation within us. God has just created us perfect with everything, like तोल मोल के, हर चीज़ तोल मोल के हमें पैदा किया है उन्होंने, हमें बनाया है. So who are we? Who are we to just judge him? Who are we to tell that, oh, I'm not happy with it? I'm not happy with myself. So in a way, what are we doing? What are we doing is, we're denying God. And we don't do that consciously, but unconsciously or subconsciously, we just keep doing these things. We're just cribbing about, oh, I'm not that good. I'm not that worthy. I'm not that beautiful. And this keeps on triggering to us that, oh, I'm not this, I'm not that, I'm not this. And in a way, we're just saying that, oh God, you didn't make me perfect. You didn't make me the way I wanted you. We cannot decide. How has He made us? So He has made us so nice, so perfect, so loving, so caring. So yeah, these are some things what we have to really explore within ourselves. So I would invite everybody to just go within and just explore some of your qualities, some of your good habits, and be grateful about that. Yeah, okay, God has given me this, God has given me beauty, God has given me loving heart, God is giving me caring attitude. And I would just encourage everybody to just someday sit with yourself and just look at you completely. Just look at you completely within yourself. Outer beauty doesn't matter at all. So what you have to look is inside you. How beautiful inside you, created by God. So I would just encourage everybody to just look into yourself. Look how happy you are. Look how sad you are. Look how what's missing within you. So let me tell you one thing. So we all are like, we always feel that okay, I'll make another video about it completely, but then let's just because it's coming to me, so let me share this. So we all feel that we can only feel love when somebody can love us. Well, that's not the truth. Nobody can completely love you how God's loving you. So there is nobody else in this entire world who can love you the way God loves you. Okay, and and that's the truth. What we do is we just keep the responsibility on another person, and we tell him or her that you have to love me, wherein the person is, himself, he doesn't know what love is, right? So this is all like uh, this is a very vast topic, which yes, I will just explore, and I'll make another video about it. But right now I just want to say that just focus on yourself rather than focusing on somebody else. Some person in your life, doesn't matter, it's fine. He is there, she's there. She will never go, he will never go. All you have to do is just look into yourself, love yourself. Because in the way you love yourself, you're loving God, you're loving the divine truth, the one who has created us, the one who has created us perfectly, without any faults in us. So that's it, I think. Do let me know if you like the video. Do let me know if there is anything uh, or any comments. I am very open to comments. So yeah, this is what I have to share with you, that keep loving yourself, keep embracing yourself, and keep expressing yourself. That is love again. Be what you are. Be yourself. Be yourself. There is nobody to judge you here. Only people can judge you when you judge yourself. So don't give a chance to anybody to judge you. Because if you don't judge, and if you love yourself, you won't find anybody judging you. You will only find that, okay, they're loving you. So the key to uh, be in love or get love, like, from somebody, is like loving yourself. Because we cannot be clinging on somebody for any love. All we have to do is give love to ourselves. And I would like you to invite God in all the places where you feel that you are not being loved. Just invite God and see the truth there, that God always loves you, and He will keep loving you till eternity, and He will keep doing good for you all the time, and He'll give you chances to love yourself. So keep doing that. Yeah. Okay, so at a short note, we'll just end this, and yeah, we can meet up for the next video. Keep watching my channel. Yeah. Alright, take care and stay safe. Stay at home, be safe, and keep others safe too. And love yourself. Yeah, this is the time to do it, and let's do it. Let's do it together. Just love yourself completely. Yeah, alright. Thank you. Bye bye.